Do you know why the wall of the houses are whitewashed both from inside and outside?
To make them look beautiful.
Yes, it does make the walls beautiful, but the main purpose of whitewashing the walls is to protect them from getting damaged by external climatic conditions.
What protect us from the external environment?
You can compare our body with the walls of the house. It is lined both externally and internally by the tissue called epithelium. This tissue also lines the cavities of the body and protects them.